How to copy a folder in Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can copy your folder in Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, go to the official website of Google Drive or go to the Google Drive app in case you are on your mobile device. Then after, select and enter the login credentials of your account and you'll come to the home screen of Google Drive. Now go to My Drive option from the left hand side. After that, locate the folder that you want to copy. Now when you right click on that particular folder or click on the three dots option, you won't find any option to copy the folder. That is because you cannot directly copy a folder in Google Drive. So instead of copying a folder, you'll have to copy the files that it has. For that, open that particular folder. Then after, press Ctrl+A. It will select all the files that you have in that folder. Then after, press Ctrl+C. After all the items have been copied, go to the destination where you want to paste the files. After you open your destination folder, press Ctrl+V and all the files will be pasted by the name of copy. So in this way, you can copy your folder or the files that you have in your folder to another place. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.